talked about a few. I know you've talked a lot about omega-3 fatty acids. So if you had to do your kind of top three,
Yeah.
Your superstars of nutrients for the brain and body, sounds like we've got one set. What would you put in alongside them?
Omega-3, the marine omega-3 fatty acids. So these are found in marine types of, animals, fish, cold water fish, fatty fish. So there's three fatty acids. There's one from a plant, and that's often referred to as ALA. People call it short alpha linoleic acid. And then there's icosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, and docahexaenoic acid, which is DHA. Yeah.
I'm amazed you can pronounce two of the most difficult words to pronounce right next to and spell right next to ophthalmology, which if you can spell it. I know people who have appointments in ophthalmology departments that don't know how to spell ophthalmology. A little secret, there's an extra P in there. So the ALA, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it because your pronunciation was perfect, of both of these two compounds. And you said are marine sources. So fish, so sardines, cod, this sort of thing. But what about krill? I've seen krill oil, and there was a few years back, people were saying krill is a better source for omega-3s than is fish oil. I took some krill oil capsules. It made me itch all over, so I stopped.
Do you have a shellfish allergy?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. I'm not a big fan of shellfish, but I like, I'll have oysters every now and again, or shrimp or something, and feel fine. So.
Yeah, we can talk about sources. So krill is a source mostly of a type of DHA and EPA that's in phospholipid form. So it's a phosphatidylcholine omega-3 fatty acid. And that's different than most of the, well, if we're talking about fish oil supplements, that's a different story. But if you're talking about comparing fish to eating krill, like we're talking about the
I would
foods.
never eat krill.
Okay, are we talking about the supplements? Okay, so
yes,
fish oil
I apologize.
supplements.
Yeah, krill supplement versus fish oil supplement. And if it fits in the conversation, talking about great sources of omega-3s in their whole form, I have a bad feeling you're going to tell me sardines.
Sardines are they're awesome. Anyways,
except for the taste
and for the potential contaminants. Mercury, I think, was one. No, it was mercury. And Joe was telling me about, like, he used to eat sardines every day. Joe Rogan was telling me that he used to eat sardines every day. And then he had, like, really high mercury levels.